Enganzi ihanga Robin Nabanja nuwajwekire mukuru w'ihanga hakwiguraho umwereko gwa Hari Speak Resort and Convention Center omuri Munyonyo Kampala.
Today's interconnected tourism market collaboration is the key to unlocking the sector's full potential. Powate is a good strategy because it brings together governments, private sector actors, development partners, and international buyers to form the synergies needed to respond to global challenges, to global changes, and build a resilient and inclusive tourism sector.
Omutwe gwa Pearl of Africa Tourism Expo 2025 gutamburira hamwe guru kugira ngo ebyoburambuzi n'empinda hindukire kugumaho ninga tourism and sustainable transformation.
Expos like Powate are a proven model for tourism development globally. In an era of digital transformation, shifting travelers' preferences, fierce global competition, face-to-face engagement remains a powerful tool.
This time around, like all other times, we have offered free access to parks. We have covered complimentary permits for people to go and see those national parks, gorillas, chimpanzees, and all those things, including boat cruises. We have offered those.
Omukoro gwo kwiguraho umwereko gubiremwe by'obuhango gurkwetwa Sounds of the Pearl oguru kutwarwa mu byeshongoro amazina hamwe no kugamba embozi kandi ebyo nabigenderire kujaguza by'obuhango bya Uganda.
Kigazi yayiwe Kigazi we Karandara mugirinde sira
turese munonga no kwega ibira kwatana na tourism, especially tourism ya hacharo tarabyo no bikoko byonka kumanya culture z'abantu ko kuziratwaza because twizire kurangwa abantu binje bwire bwinji bakizire kwija baza mugorira n'ebindi konka batarebe culture zitu kandi culture zitu kije cyamani munonga
kandi turamanya ngo kutura utilize ngenga tukakikoze saje turaza kwereka ebyuganda rasa kwereza abajenyi abarambuzi bona kandi ekole business nunje kuzihanga na nabantu kitwe tubase kuyamuchango munonga
ikidi cyamani munonga ndatekateka twaza kweza buryo mwe naza kubaramanya tourism tubanyisa ki community tourism culture tourism food
omwereko gunugwija kusiya hizo baryo rwa mukage birabira nabyo kwezi kwa katano mwaka ogu netivure kirabe kirumo bamwe habeshongozi bamani omuyanga amakoraga gasha kwa Job namanya.